Shano, one year no combat, one should be for being shot at the end of the public. It is a danoso, send your yes, because we are told to say some magic be.
Ebusian for Mamunina Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TVGH. So let's like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded. Ebusian for
Shano, one year no combat, one should be for being shot at the end of the public. It is a danoso, send your yes, because we are told to say some magic be. And a president, I'm a petrol abafom, and yeah, world market price be any other. Joma ba, about papa ba, petrol ayefo, ha, won't go baby, and you that's your lodina. The basha if ne, that's what I say. Baby, that's what you come. It will be any assessor, be a from sources, a better continue enjoy petrol 10 cities and 11 cities. My member, Urea, say, a crantinti. Yachina to me. See, Ayɛka 15 million. Cause say what they say.
1.5 million.
1.5 million. And say and no one told you because soldier for me no who's a president say no. 1.5 million. And I say, Mukwam kwasha demo no. Mukwam diwo Jubilee House nkwano 1.5 million.
Abasa ho buy.
The boot a one year momu de coke and Fanta and Ayɛka banku momu.
Omu beche niani o.
Eti nyina be di bi entimu kwam kwasha dem. Edi sa 1.5 million ye nyina ya ntra fie. Enya sa kokwa enkoda. Anche me. Which part of IMF agreement and the catcher yes including you we are same training a catcher yes say you better to light bill every 3 months on proving chame because you tell wa mama twitwa san trono atu Ghana for team on catcher me say which part on proving chame say which part of IMF agreement and the catcher yes say every 3 months biano you better to light bill mamu tutum. Eti IMF for no so na catch am say mu first can quarter pad ema students. IMF for no e na catch am say mu go first over 293 million and quarter nkoko nketenkete. IMF for na kan sa asem no chemu.
Na ede na mo de call IMF.
Minia IMF di enti na IMF ho. IMF eba because of issues and obia nim Russia Ukraine war eba ye. What I say, COVID, they need be boom, and son and also so eba. Say no, so near justification. We are some journey. Now, also who's own year no soon to more. Because the current president, the crowd year to mark can be said. Yenya effect, was an yamanoso. Eba, and no ma, some inflation, yeah, they didn't economy in our crash, yeah, we call her for remedy. It won't be some say then ya koho nyen nkwa ya koho several times and there are reasons why I will be back baby what I say yes kusi empia ti opia na there's a bibi na sie and a kobasa because I quite remember class say obi ka che say MPP for na dey akọ IMF na why na be beji free mu do you get my point it me stress sa ade no a wo ka no nsusunka because there's nothing like that. What I say, more person motutu ade no mu a monka no kre mo buy 28% and am obi esu etietiamu na areho say ebeba ne sa akokwa hwe Ghana yesi enya independence and what is there to celebrate? What is there to celebrate? Abra ni pasitrem cost of living kwa na ekosro akokwa matra ka kirew eniema enkoyie obi akrantienti ene ya chinatu chese independence day ni pay we yire mu okoku akrantienti nipa no won independence day ni bi ene koku akuafo ensu bobena se wo musika koku akuani no akokwa they also did 3,600 a year of our bag the whole crown na bra what is saying me say me cause we so e ko hwe se ne akuafo ni sitie papa ba ku be chia me no me sa me nsam say ni nsam say ya wo de chia mbisa ne say wo tibi de nsa no hohoro de nimu anopa utim se wa ye dwumaden wa bua makoko no abedu ba bia edu nipa nkoton kekemra no a wa tini sika so say hwi na de odi 36,000 3,600 no na brabo te sen na kan pese 2,500 kuku akuafo so so we hear members of parliament a minority no and then instead of so better parliament no omu na mwura mu ni kuku akuafo esu e pa ba yi chaw akokwa omu pa ba yi chaw se omu hu omu mobo ba bia sika wo biara akokwa mu hwe na mu tia kuku akuafo ka and we share internet obi esu woni prepared ahoche na doso na kokwa Saturday metia omampeni ni Ibrahim Mahama
ade wusu
omampeni ni Ibrahim Mahama wakoto aeroplane
say play or dance
wakoto aeroplane abetram
na so a businessman
and we am to say and we am say obi akro won yemu bi adwane bi ko ya chutu nko ehifo na Ibrahim Mahama wo ko wonu akro no ga ehifo no want to kwan koye
na say
ehifo and want to kwan koye se wo ko he awokoto play abekuafo su
na
wodi capacity kro fa bu nia na bosia
Ibrahim Mahama nya ban
wonya ban ajani nia na president capacity kro bu nia na bosia eye ya wade na kuafo ho towa mo unya be ka chese odi ba ko da che Ghana na anu adujama accident yesi ada ni afa plane mu akofo wo mu akofo
police
o ti ase accident yesi ye wa adujama ada ni afa plane no ami afa nko number be no odija ya ye mfa mfrele ni afa plane nko fa wo mu ada na ye Ghana sa 1 year in office what ba control aeroplane so betlem abra members of parliament and namuram koko growing areas epa akuafo echewso munya botre no behwe ni aban na kasa disika abra wo mo na wo de wanya bia control aeroplane o maya yetimunie obi na akrantienti yede na kotu mu no o ti ase yenyina yesu ya pawo chaw
mom report issue mami
o ti ase yesu ya pawo chaw se boa what you say na you toy kakra and what is there to celebrate obiesu uko adwura yesi abro emo egu ha yenya tofo onto
ese so say
kashu ya tete so minia nipa esu nipa bre na wanya bia kotelo play betrem
akokwa o se wato ni wani ni old one no obi yare o Ghana na yede mbekwa ama no ne a
mesi number ben no de agya o
yemfa
friend pa no premise obobo number no na meto Ghana nyina wo bi nya accident adujamade na kia friend no makofa no ho agbese yakọ bubo number no wodi gya e kire no ana ya tosi NDC fo nko ho se wo mu de wo ntia mu ne fo mu nko mo yare a mimi po me kwa kwatira sa plane ni mu bi obi o se hwiyo so kokko farmer no sa plane no ba fu bi
okay
ada na mama ya nia ya ho Ghana ha sa ada nia ya ada boni na MPP ene Ghana fo aye Ghana for dear bonnie ye. Say, when you see $70 million, no, when you trouble near the Bosia. Trouble near was got pressure than so. And I just a letter that you can have my penny for some almost who chassa. Who the old chassa no names and a chia ampa indeed. Because I'm saying, son will start here no was sweaty. No one near fra. Ya can't be beer won't take my penny for say. The old chassa no or names and a chia ampa. Had the equals I will be a members of parliament nam e pacho e kwakwa force president mama share na sika etimi mana ho nipa ho ntono wo de akoto plane mini bibia ameka
hey poor yando mama ni tissue ma
na wo akokwa mini asem o kae yemfa wuntumi nkotum because wuntumi you good I will be good dia wato play the only niti dia niti eye say ono dia wato play
okay
wuntumi you good nti wo hese yanchina ntuma obe resign ma dia wakoto play ayede black voter eye nsuo amano ono dia oye genuine businessman wuntumi dia oye baller person anaso wo prapra baller so enti ono dia yengelino what kind of Ghana are we living in not just eye ahoya na yɛn ka hwe emre yɛsɛ give time some time emre di anim na Ghana bɛyɛ de papa
hey God is answering my prayers indeed, because me MPP for bebre minimum since we come into opposition after mo ye fe kra sene time I have power woni mkrofo we wa hwe wo ye MPP ni ahwe wo sese amekasa ase ya pa opposition mo na ye ho ato ye bi sa me say kids and men fashion culture says true. Me say me sorry me pay me radio station me pay me nko me pay me TV station. Like I say, my life has become simple. Ekayen kwa akayen kasa. Ekayen people for kwa akayen kasa. But you see, our children coming no. And it's for they are destroying the country for them. That is why we still come out to come and talk. And yet our children coming na. Akan be kasa yeden. Akan family humpo. Because Nyakopon de nyayen kwan bedi de or the mind. But we cannot just be selfish about ourselves alone. The soul of the country is not happy. That is why Independence Day almost says shame kosu. And Independence Day any Independence Day feel so pia kwa bonja kwa chili kakra utifie so a udigari. I said benkuni meku. I said the country of mine is happy. The soul, mother Ghana, ni soul ni cry like what me who say pressure be on mine so. And it is because of more power. We shall Kumasi in 2 days or so. You see, accident was seeing nipa 16 preoccupé 16. Ephraim. Nipa 16 at a go. All these things, you know, a sign to the mind to say something is not right somewhere. Something is not right. And aside in Paebono, we must also put our house in order. How do we put our house in order? It is by registering and becoming part of the new patriotic party. Yeah. We can't give a nation to people who will be rejoicing that Omato helicopter back. See. See. Now finally, you can start sending your request. Start sending your request. Finally, last thing before I pick people up. I've seen some Tibon to journalists be. Omujibility say, Mahama spending 1.5 million Ghana cedis on Independence Day celebration. And now Akufo-Addo was spending 15 million. You can send your request. Say Mahama spending saying 1.5 million. You see, say Yakupon Nyamishrao. No Nyaska. Kosku. Because Kosku aon ajumbe die akra. This way NDC when this no Kosku wejimi. You see like Obi a friend of Bobby. Onye proud of himself and say the picture any DP number 1. I bet you what a crasini. We go share. Nipa no hu tantan bi. O sorry and there we nya dwane ndie. But your man 5 megabyte. So ombra na ombe yi ma catch NDC for say me amiti ha no NDC ba ban mu no menya o man se ka di. Se me di be kire mu. Christmas no. Se mo se sami gemfi. Oseni me amiti ha oseni me momo. 2,000 Ghana cedis and all this sending me. And your mind is coming a bidi. NDC for bill, NDC for munya 5 megabyte eba as a be yame. Munubi. Yes, it's a munya ndie. Uba me life so be yame. Wa we share me no be yame say ye krasini. Share me name wo busu man kan ye aka ho be. En Bobby. Share me name mi obusu ni a aka ho be. Asa mi ware wo sister aka ho be. Krasini. Let me go back to what I was saying. There was a good reason why Akufo-Addo now independence celebrations, I celebrate war, the region after region. Number one, and he said, we wanted to open up the diversity in every region to the international community. Because our independence celebration, ambassadors, Eba, and all those things, and I tell you, when it was held in Honu, the number of people who came, and then also, have a financial positivity, financial benefit to the people in that region. When we were doing the independence celebration, all the hotels, I say all of them, they were full for almost 2 weeks before and after the event. 6 March now. Yeah, I think 3 years ago, you know so. Also we for swaba Blackie. Omunyina omenim ni deep no so. Ko share. Omutan time. Me say we dey ade. Nyame na abona say abofo bi na abona na. Ebusanfo. Hotels are more no 2 weeks before and after the event no. Na still my full. E disika eba to the indigenous people. And the ukonya mampeni bia we short-sighted. Short-sighted. You cannot see far. Now, Osoria, or see, or yeah, or Jubilee House. Jubilee House, you should be sad. You should be sad. Because, okay, we are not able to showcase the beauty of the various places of Ghana any longer. Sorry. Akra nkwa. And this for na name say, o man we be kwa anima. ANPP, health assurance, digitalization, drone delivery, gold result, ni bia free senior high school, free maternity, free dialysis. Ni na say MPP ni abemo a, there is no hope, there is no forward going for man way. You say him. Can afford him. That is why when MPP is not in power, senye helicopter, Ayɛka, senye car, way. Oh, and the moon who say, "O my no ninji." Kukufu eso, Endra, new somebody say, a civil service organization in Kofu, we do civil service. Almost one was strike. The whole way forward was strike. Teacher training colleges for was strike. Teachers yancho muka 14 months. Nurses yancho muka 14 months. Who say omani ninji? The nation is not happy. The nation is crying. The soul of the nation is down. And then cry no. That is the truth. That is the truth that NDC4 don't want us to say. And you see, when you start it, then they'll go and share your life to their pages and they'll come. See them in their numbers. Omununo. They'll use fake accounts. But you see, media, if you are on my page, you are watching me in Kwandia. Now see me in Nyansa. Wumum na wune Nyansa. because nkurɔfoɔ bebree wɔ life. Ade na mo a mo nyansa mo nkurɔfoɔ mo nyansa life so. Mo a mo nyansa na mo nkurɔfoɔ because mo nim say aha ɛna mo ba bɛnya nyansa no free. Aha na mo ba you have a rewinding of your brain. Right? And see, my message this evening is simple. Independence Day, you know, we are not truly independent until MPP comes back to power. Until MPP comes back to power, we are not truly independent. We are lamenting. Omaino lamenti. The nation is crying for MPP to come back. And that is why you and I must be registered. You and I, we must be registered. This whole match, go to your police station and register. Just let us know where you are. We'll give you the contact. Mami Cynthia, long time no see. Just let us know where you are. Remember our contact of who you should contact and register. You don't have to come back to Ghana. Baby, I will be able to register. What Italy, what US, what UK, what Canada, what Mexico, what France, what Germany, what Belgium, what Luxembourg, what Brussels, no, Belgium, Canada, Brussels, what Netherlands, and all the rest, no. Munina, we have branches all over those places. You will register mo. What South Africa, you can register you. Angola, you can register you. What Togo, Crampa, we can register. Let's come back and take this nation from